Press sleep button on remote. Then, you will see the time blinking on the right bottom corner of remote's display. Select the time between 1 hour to 7 hours. Let's choose 3 hours. After selecting the time duration, press Set Cancel button to apply the sleep time setting. Once the time is set, it will also display in indoor unit display. AC will automatically shut down after the selected time period. If you wish to cancel the timer during the selected time duration, press Set Cancel button. Once the sleep timer is cancelled, you'll see the actual day time in the bottom right corner on remote's display. Before starting timer, please make sure that the correct time set on the AC. If not, please follow the process. First, open the battery cover and remove one battery. And wait till the remote display gets off. Then reinsert the battery, then you'll notice that time start blinking in the bottom right corner. Select the correct time by help of up and down navigation buttons. Please make sure that you select the AM or PM correctly. Your AC runs on 12 hours time cycle. Then press Set Cancel button to set the time. Now to set the timer, press Timer button on the remote. On will appear on left side of the actual time on remote display. Press the button again, then off will appear on the same place. Now you can set the off timer as per your requirement by using the up-down navigation button, then press Set Cancel button on the remote to start the timer. Once the timer is start, clock icon will appear on the indoor unit display. And in the remote display, off will appear on left of the actual time. Press the function button. This icon will start blinking on the remote display. This is the icon of auto clean.